7. Your most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Addis Uklo.
And good morning, everyone. Hope we had a good holiday weekend. It's the last week of 2021. And believe it or not, it's actually going to be a bit of a rainy week at times for us. Haven't had a lot of rain really the last couple of months, but this week we are going to see several rounds of clouds and showers. We'll be talking more about that. This morning, though, we're starting out with a cloudy look over the area. Lebanon, York, Lancaster, Harrisburg, cloudy and chilly this morning with temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s. And this is going to be key as we are tracking some of that precipitation moving in from the west, because it is going to be cold enough for some of that to fall as either snow, sleet, or freezing rain before then a gradual transition to just some drizzle or light showers by this afternoon. So temperatures should hold fairly steady as we head over the next few hours. For right now, though, we are cloudy, nothing falling from the sky. So for the morning commute itself, we look to be dry. No concerns about that. But off to the west, you do see that system bringing in rain and snow to the Ohio Valley. It looks like some of that's starting to reach western Pennsylvania, but a lot of this is still not reaching the ground. And that's because we have a lot of dry air in place. That dry air isn't necessarily near the surface. It's aloft. So that precip is going to have a tough time initially reaching the ground. Hence why if you're using the weather app, you're going to see it on the radar, but you're not really going to see anything outside, at least initially. So there it is. There's the warm front that's going to be responsible for that mix to develop later this morning. Then as we head beyond that, another system develops for Tuesday, and then even more as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. Those are going to be mainly in the form of just plain rain, though. So here's our precision cast. You can see by 9 o'clock this morning, starting to see some light flakes move on in, and these will then continue as we head into the late morning hours. Temperatures should be just above freezing, I'd say, for most of this event. So I'd say widespread issues not expected, but any side streets or elevated surfaces could become a little slick, especially anything that's untreated. A transition then over to some sleet and freezing rain before we go over to just plain rain showers for the afternoon. Even these will just be widely scattered in nature. Tomorrow we'll start off dry, maybe even a little bit of sunshine, but then another round of clouds and showers then moves in for the afternoon. Not out of the question that a little wet snow mixes in over the northern tier late tomorrow, but for most of us, this is going to be just plain rain. So what to expect today? Light snow moving in later this morning. It will eventually mix with some sleet and freezing rain. A few slick, untreated roads, but again, numerous issues, widespread issues on the highways, not expected given how marginally cold the air mass is and that dry air initially. Then as we head closer to noontime, a transition over to some light freezing rain and some plain rain. And then for this afternoon, mainly just some light occasional showers and some drizzle. Notice precip chances staying pretty high here over the next couple of days. So one round of rain tomorrow, then again Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, even as we head into the first couple days of 2022, it will be wet at times. So 38 degrees today, light mix developing. Afternoon showers tomorrow, and looks like mainly just morning showers on Wednesday and Thursday. And then as we head into Friday, New Year's Eve day, that looks like our only real dry day this week. Highs in the low 50s, and then for the weekend, another round of rain, Taylor, with high temperatures still hanging out in the low 50s. So ending 2021, not representing the entire year, which really most of the year, excluding the summer, was dry, but it's going to be damp.